Good morning students. Today we are going to learn a new topic of visualizing solid shapes. Mapping space around us. You are familiar not only with pictures but with maps too. You have been dealing with maps since you are in primary classes. In geography, we have been asked to locate a particular state, a particular river, a mountain, etc. on a map. In history, we might have been asked to locate a particular place where some event had occurred long back. You have traced routes of rivers, roads, railway lines, track, and many others. There are different kinds of map, such as route maps, neighborhood maps, city maps, country maps, weather maps, etc. Now come to next point, faces and edges and vertices. Now we shall discuss some three-dimensional figures having flat faces such as cube, cuboid, prism and pyramid. A polyhedron is a solid shape bounded by polygons. Some concepts related to polyhedrons are: number 1, faces. Flat polygonal region of a polyhedron are called its faces. Number 2, edges. Line segments common to the two adjoining faces of a polyhedron are known as its edges. Number 3, vertices. Points where the edges of a polygon meet are known as its vertices. Okay. Now let's us consider a cube. Now, how are the polyhedrons different from the non-polyhedrons? Look at this picture. These are polyhedrons and these are not polyhedrons. Cylinder, cones and sphere are not polyhedrons because they have curved, not flat faces. A cylinder has two parallel congruent bases that are circles. A cone has one circular base and a vertex that is not on the base. A sphere is a space figure having all its points and equal distance from its center point. Okay. Now come to next point. Convex polyhedrons. A polyhedron with all faces as convex polygons is known as convex polyhedron. These are convex polyhedrons and these are not convex polyhedrons. A polyhedron whose all faces are not convex polyhedrons is not a convex polyhedron. Now come to next point, regular polyhedrons. A polyhedron is said to be regular if its faces are made up of regular polygons and the same number of faces meet at each vertex. Look at this picture. This polyhedron is regular and this polyhedron is not regular because all sides are congruent but its vertices are not formed by the same number of faces. Okay, thank you.